Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in with the account that schedules meetings. Once signed in, go directly to Calendar and choose New Meeting to create an invitation. This step generates the meeting Metadata Teams needs. Make sure the meeting option shows Microsoft Teams Meeting, so a join link will be created automatically. If you already have an event, open it instead. This is the foundation. Without a Teams meeting type, there won't be a link to share. Now, open the meeting details and locate the Join Microsoft Teams Meeting link inside the event body. That is the URL participants will use. Once found, use the Copy Join Info or Copy Link button to put the full join information on your clipboard. If you prefer, paste it into a text editor to trim or add context. Make sure you don't remove required parameters. Once done, you've prepared a clean link ready to paste into chat, email, or a calendar invite. Paste the copied link where your attendees will see it, email, Teams chat, or another calendar event, and include the date, time, and brief agenda so people know context. Then, open meeting options to set lobby bypass and presenter permissions. This controls access and whether external guests can join directly. Once done, send a test link to yourself or a colleague to confirm it works. If someone can't join, resend the full join info and verify their account or browser permissions as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.